What's up, guys? Another vlog here. Beautiful day in Japan actually today, and we're gonna be going to Kura sushi place for about $1 a plate with 2 sushis. So let's check it out. So this is the sushi place here. So when you eat 5 plates, you dump them in here, and then for every 5 you get a game. Like you get a chance to win one of the balls up there for the kids. All right, so this is ponzu, right? Very good.
Ramen. Mini sushi. But the thing is, Uncle Johnny loves it.
$1 a plate. So here is the shopping center, fully loaded, locked and loaded.
Duck.
Duck,
Good duck. No good
oh,
duck.
pig, pork.
It's like liver, right? Is this liver? Yes. Liver.
Here's how. Check out this meat.
We have something like this, though.
Do we? Maya's stacking up on cup noodles.
Got a lot of them over here. We got sauce, more cup noodles, carrots, and snacks.
Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so I'm in Japan right now, as you saw. We went to shopping, and I'm just gonna show you some of the dry stuff that we got. You know, we just stocked up on some cup ramen. I don't buy it all the time, but we like to just have it in the house, just in case one of us here is hungry. You know, we can just dig in and have a ramen, right? So the first thing we got, you get little 12 cups of soup here. Like you make your own little miso soup. It's like little pouches. All you do is put them in a bowl and then add hot water. Super easy. This is what Japanese frosted flakes looks like. This is okonomiyaki. It's like a Japanese pancake, but it's a meal pancake. It's not like a breakfast pancake, right? You mix cabbage in it, you put bacon in it, some fish shavings, you know, on it, and some sauce and teriyaki sauce kind of thing, or mayo and stuff. And this is what they use. It's called okonomiyaki, and it's popular in Osaka. Okonomiyaki. Here's a bag of brown rice. They sell a little bag of brown rice like this. It's not very common to get brown rice in Japan, especially Niigata, but we get brown rice because my little daughter, Allie, likes brown rice. It's good for her digestive system. Spaghetti, clam sauce. This is not clam sauce, but like, you know, little spaghetti pouches here for spaghetti sauce. And this is mushroom broth, I guess. And this is like a bacon broth.
That's Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce. Yeah, so, you know, you just mix it up. You make pasta, just pour it on it. You add whatever veggies and stuff you want. That's it. So, we got the #1 yakisoba, not yakisoba, ramen. What flavor is this?
Shoyu.
Shoyu. This is a different one. They're all like different kinds.
Shoyu.
There's another shoyu kind.
Shoyu usually come in red.
What's this?
That's kamo broth.
Kamo duck.
Duck broth.
Duck broth. Okay.
Oh no, that's udon.
This is udon. Udon, like a thicker noodle. All right. And then this is what?
So miso.
Miso.
Miso usually
Miso ramen. And then we got this, what is this, like a yakisoba type of thing.
あ、そうそうそうそうそう。
Pretty
それ
neat.
焼きそば。
Yakisoba. And then we got another one of these different flavor. Salt broth. Okay, then we got regular.
Usually come
You
in
guys
blue.
know this stuff. You guys know this stuff. Cup noodle, like shrimp.
違う
Okay.
辛いやつ。
Oh, this is
これ超
spicy
美味しい
shrimp.
の。
Spicy shrimp. Check that out. So, you know, in the next videos, when we eat these things, I'll make a video. Like, we'll make a bunch of different kind, and then you'll be able to see what they look like inside. And we'll do like a taste testing or whatever. But there's so many different kinds. These two are the same. It's like a kimchi flavor, right?
あー、それスーラータンメンって書いて
I don't know. What is that?
ある。スパイシーの。
My daughter likes this one a lot. Chili tomato cup noodle. So every time we go with her, she picks this. Okay. What else we got? This is like a soba, brown noodle, which is buckwheat, right? Buckwheat, dried buckwheat. Ramen. Here's another one that looks mabo tofu. This is the one I picked. I never had this before, but I like mabo tofu. And then this is just basic cup noodle, right? So
Behind
God,
you.
look at all of this cup noodle. And we have a whole nother, and we're gonna be making some yakiniku tonight. So I bought like some yakiniku meat. It's like $23,
$20.
$24, $20 give or take US, but you got all kinds of, looks good. The meat looks good. Check that out. So
Yum.
yum yum. And we got a bag of chicken ramen. This is very famous.
これはね。
This was the original. This is the original that started cup noodle. This is the original flavor, original brand.
Like this is how the cup noodles started.
Yeah, this is how it started. We got something like, these are like, they come in blocks. Okay, there's like separate, like 5 in here, right, Eddie?
US にもあるでしょ。
Yeah, we got this in the US. Packaging might be different, but what flavor is this?
担々麺。
So this is pork broth. This is like one of our favorites, super spicy. It's called Shin Ramen.
That's the Korean だね。
Yeah, super spicy, very hot. Like my daughter likes hot stuff, but she has a problem eating that. Got this little packets here.
これおやつスナックラーメン。
It's like a little snack, you know. You just put hot water in a cup, literally a little cup, like a mug. You add hot water, then you can put in fried egg on it if you want, or some green onions or whatever you want. Little snack packets here.
でもね、これ as is tastes good too.
And you can just eat it like a block. You can just eat this like that if you want. You want to try, Maya?
No?
Yeah. While we're making the video. So let's just do it.
Eat one like that?
Yeah, you eat it just like this.
Mom, that's a thing?
Yeah, look.
They sell one in Muji too. Muji.
Mmm.
でしょ？
Mmm.
でしょ？
Yeah, this is a thing.
Kids.
Eat. It like really falls, but it's good. It's like a good snack.
Anyway, guys, just want to say what's up from Japan with my family. Just did some shopping. I wanted to show you this cup noodle stuff here. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. And I'll be sending more videos like this if you want. Let me know down below. Some more car stuff coming out. Don't know if you checked out the Spruce Goose project that I just released yesterday. It's a cool project. And a lot more coming down the pipeline. Talk to you soon.